Hey guys, welcome to T528 solution. This is Tecno 528. So it's having a mouthpiece issue. So this is just a short video to show you how to run a Jmper wire. So I've already done this construction already. I just want to show you how you can place the connection and you be successful at the end of the day. So you see this place, so just draw a wire from this positive, which is a plus, the red one, then drag it to this very IC. Hope you can see it. This very IC. Yes, so just do a neat soldering here. Do a neat soldering. At the end of the day, you'll be successful. So just try this and drop your comment at the comment section. If you are new to this video, please do well to subscribe. Share this video to other technicians who will be helpful to them. Thank you. See you in another video.